Hey Charbax, welcome back here again, Computex 2025, and here we are introducing our strip type screens. So these are 48.5 inch displays, non-touch displays, so they're used for signage, unique ratio, 16 by 3, and they are for metros. You see them at the sides of the trams, at the advertisement areas. It could display station names, it could display advertisements, and it's all very like space efficient, I would say. So for areas with small spaces, also in the supermarkets. And this is just a monitor. This is an Android PC, so you can actually link it together. So we're actually linked it together right now, but you can also link it separately or to the hub of the metro. And this one is optically bonded. It has 1000 nits brightness. We also provide the standard brightness version. And overall, it's just a full front cover glass. This one has a metal frame, so we can also do the different frames based on the environment that it's placed in.
Is it easy to produce content for this aspect ratio?
So actually,
can you crop into the video easily and
so for us, it's basically you just need to make sure you cut the video correctly. You make sure that it fits the ratio. But in the end, we could easily display it. So you can link it to a PC, you can link it to a mainboard, you can just upload it on the Android PC. And again, it's a monitor, so we are very flexible with what the client would require, especially if you're dealing with like integrators for the metros or integrators for the transportation companies. They would like to have their pre-built displays of the station names, the routes, or the advertisements on it.
Maybe there could be some AI video editing app or something where you just give it whatever content you want, and it kind of makes it nicely, the aspect ratio.
Sure, yeah, definitely. We're always looking, like I said, Charbax before in the other videos, we're always looking for more, software vendors, software integrators that are capable to work with our hardware and making sure that our hardware really stands out, for sure.
How's the power consumption?
So the power consumption is, it's a good quality, like low power consumption, I would say. I mean, the thing is, this is a 1000 nits brightness, so it will consume more. This one is, I believe, 600 or 500 nits. And the power consumption is as efficient as it gets for that brightness with the LED.
So this one is 500, the other one is nearly double?
Yeah, exactly.
All right. And how's it compatible with how you make displays? It's like comes out of your factory?
Yeah, so we don't do any cutting. So it's all just one display. So we make sure that it's one complete cell. So there's no leakage. You have problems where if you cut displays at certain angles, or it can cause bleeding, and the how do you call it? The LEDs could sort of, I would say, pour out. It would not be on one side. It would not be quality well anymore, I would say. But for us, we don't do that. So it's all just one complete display. So we can just roll it out. If there's MOQs of 10, 20 pieces, we can provide it directly. We are working now with a 48.5 inch, but we're also working on different sizes from 18 inch all the way up to 86 inch in strip types as well.